Kaaye Yudataadeo, and we have come to Parliament of Uganda. We are petitioning the Parliament of Uganda and Right Honorable Speaker Anita Among in particular, and we are taking a petition to challenge the East African crude oil pipeline that is very deadly to the nationals.
If you go to Hoima and Kuno, the people are suffering, and what the government is telling us is not really what is happening on the ground. People are really suffering. People have been displaced and have not been compensated according to the way they are meant to be compensated. People are really suffering from the eco project, and therefore we have come to take our petition to the Parliament to tell them that they should have a notion and state that there is a lot of climate change and there is need to talk about it, and they have to find it. They have to first resolve the interests of the people before they do something. They're displacing people, the rights of people are being violated. I have an example of Mr. Patrick from Chikuve who said that they made a very big pipeline and people... Stop eco! 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 Today
we are going to Parliament of Uganda to petition Right Honorable Speaker Anita Among. We want these matters to be tabled at the Parliament of Uganda, at the floor Parliament. We want the government of Uganda to change their idea. And
you come and you talk from here. We are going to read you to the speaker. You come
from here.
You remove that. You come and talk from here.
Madam, we are here.
Please come and talk.
We are here.
It's okay. Where is the petition? The petition is here.
We are going to yes.
No problem. We are going to remove this thing. We are a team. Remove it from her. Now, madam, let's
okay, fine. I'm not fighting you. I found the same and
no, don't arrest me. No,
no problem. As you were saying that you are leading us to Parliament.
Listen.
Yes, yes, we are listening. You are listening. Relax. And organize an immediate stop of this to Tanzania.
That is going to be the longest pipeline. That is going to be.
We are very peaceful. We are
it's okay. You be there. No problem. We have no problem with you. What do we do?
Apande,
don't want to fight you.
yes, you are not fighting. We are not fighting.
But we are saying
it is a public place, and we want to see Right Honorable Speaker Anita Among. We are here.
Listen. You don't want to fight. Okay, you can bring them now. Are you together? Officer, look at the problem. We are not going to fight you. We are going to read you. No problem. Take it from us. Let's go. You leader, you come and you talk from here. We are going to read you to the speaker. You come
from here.
You remove that. You come and talk from here.
Madam, we are here.
Please come and talk.
We are here.
It's okay. Where is the petition? The petition is here.
We are going to yes.
No problem. We are going to remove this thing. We are a team. Remove it from her. Now, madam, let's
okay, fine. I'm not fighting you. I found the same and
no, don't arrest me. No problem.
As you were saying that you are leading us to Parliament.
Listen.
Yes, we are listening.
Relax.
We have come.
No, relax. Just one person. Tell me what is going on.
The matter
then I guide you properly. We see how it's going, right?
We are petitioning the Speaker of Parliament.
Yes, the race. Okay. Host station Parliament. Introduce yourself.
I am
Tell me who you are.
A student, a second-year student at Makerere University Business School. We have come here this morning to petition the Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, Right Honorable Anita Among, about the issues of the East African crude oil pipeline. We want these matters to be tabled at the floor of Parliament. As they are discussing other issues, we have a very burning issue of climate change. Today, seasons in Uganda are changing. It is very uncertain that we used to have 2 seasons, but today we don't know when the wet season will come. And this has been caused by the cutting down of forests, mismanagement of wetlands, and today we are having a project that the government is planning to construct the East African crude oil pipeline from Hoima to Tanzania. That is going
and then the other thing, we have 2 petitions, and the other thing, are really suffering from this project. If you look at what the multi-purpose company are doing, the eco project, they're really compensating people. You can't give a person from an acre and Vico Mata from Chambo.
Now Vika, listen to me.
Yes.
So now you have come, you are welcome, right?
Thank you.
This is the parliament that accepts anybody, right?
Yes.
If you have a petition, we welcome you. Are we there?
Thank you.
So, but the parliament has the police. Are we there? It has the parliamentary police that guides whoever is coming to parliament, right?
Yes.
So you are welcome. You are 2 of you. I want to go with you.
Yes.
You bring the petition. Are we there?
We agree.
You are many, but now we shall select the 2 of you, the leaders. Are we there? You do to the leaders be the ones to represent the rest, right? This is a very diplomatic place. It is your parliament. Are we there?
Yes.
You don't need to use the force. You don't need to come in annoyance, but you come quickly, humbly. We work together with you and direct you to the right work offices as a parliamentary what? Police. So the 2 of you, you are welcome. Which other 3rd person? Are you 2 only? 3rd person. Good.
Yes.
So here you don't.
How many were they? They were around what age? Did they have any placard? No, yeah, they were about this. Yes, only.